what we're going to do is take some data, use a pivot table. So I'm just voicing over, so you'll unfortunately got to hear me again, right?
You're fine.
Now you're going to hear that. And I'm going to build a pivot table to build uh, a frequency, a relative frequency, and a relative percent frequency.
Okay.
So click in here, go under Insert, build a pivot table. It grabs the data, new worksheet, default. Then this is going to be built when we drive over here. I'm going to first cut the data, and then I'm going to pull this in. Because it's categorical, all I can do is count it.
Okay.
While it's there, I'm going to hit this down arrow and go to Value Field Settings, and I'm going to change this to say what I want it to say, frequency. Now I'm going to do a relative frequency. Okay, so I'm going to grab
Take
it.
the data,
Yep.
drag it down.
Yep. After I'm there, now I'm going to go over here and right click. My computer is locking up, and I don't understand why. It'll there, and then I'm going to do show values as the column total. It looks at this column, the total, and then cuts the data by a percent of that. Now it's doing a percent. I don't want the percent if I just want relative frequency.
Right.
So after I've done that, I'm going to grab it and then go under the Home tab and show that as a number. And now after I've done that, I'm going to rename it. I think you could just click right there and name it, but I like to use this. I try to do all my work on this side.
It'll probably be safer for me to do it on
Yeah,
that side too.
and then so hit that arrow, value field settings, and then again I'm just going to change it to whatever name I want. Relative frequency, because that's what it is. This is the stat term, not the Excel term. Then do the same thing. Grab down, show values as this, but in that case that's exactly what I want. And this is a relative percent frequency. Value field settings. Got it? We good?